So in this video, I want to show you how to set up Wi-Fi schedule on a Tenda router. To do this, first you will need to select your router in a Tenda Wi-Fi app, then select the tools. Inside we'll be able to find Wi-Fi schedule, you can activate it, and then you can set the time when the Wi-Fi will be disabled and set the during time right here. So you can set it to, for example, 23 to 7 and repeat it at the certain days or every day, and then save it. And now our Wi-Fi schedule is set up. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.